So can you get a doorbell for less than 20 quid? We've got one here. We're going to install it, test it out, and it even says that it fits a 25mm back box. So let's check it out. The only place that I didn't install USB sockets into my house was behind the Christmas tree. So let's put it behind there, shall we? Right, first things first, let's make sure it's dead. Sockets. Perfect. First then, let's check that it's all inside the box, as it states. So what we've got the socket. It does look like it may fit into a 25mm box. It's got a ring main in there, it might be tight. And then the doorbell. Obviously needs a battery. Ooh. And you've got the screws and screws for the doorbell. So let's whip this off. This one. And what we haven't got in this socket is a flying lead. So whilst we're in here, we'll put a flying lead for the back box. Right, so we've got a bit of copper cable now. So we'll just bend the end over, make that nice and neat. There we go. Be able to go into it.
The back box.
Right. So let's see if this new doorbell fits in the socket. Get the earths both in there, the flying lead and the main earth from the 2.5 cable. There we go, we've got the live and the neutral. They're quite easily labelled as well, if you can see them. L, N and earth up there. So it's quite simple to terminate. And now to see if it fits back in a 25mm box. Look at that. It does. I'd say that fits quite well. No gaps. Looking lovely. So now we want to make sure that the battery's inside the doorbell. Does it come with a battery? Let's find out. Oh. It does, perfect. It's came with a battery, but obviously it's got that plastic lug on there. So we're going to need to remove the plastic lug for the battery to work. So take the battery out, and there's a little plastic film in there. So take that out, and then replace your battery. Look at that, light's on already. Upside down. There we go. Right, so let's turn it back on and see if it goes ding dong. Right, so we turn the mains back on. Moment of truth. Yes, we have a little light on it as well to show you flashing. And there's meant to be, how many chimes? 6 melody chimes. Basically, I'm looking for a Christmas one. But that's quite a good one. Yeah, it's a little melody, it's not too bad. Yeah, that's not a bad one. It's a bit of a normal one as well. I'm looking for a Christmas one. I'm going to keep it on that one for now. Just another little thing as well. Even though your doorbell works fine, even check the socket. Like, to make sure you check the socket. To make sure you're getting a live neutral and earth. Just to be safe, check them both. The last thing you want is your Christmas lights not to come on once you put your Christmas tree back. And because it came with them, let's make it look a bit neater with these. Beautiful. And then all we want now is to fix the doorbell to the front door, which it comes with screws, plugs, and a little sticker. So, let's sticker on there. Right, well, the screws it came with are a bit of an overkill to screw into a plastic door frame. So I'm just going to use some different screws, a little bit shorter. Then place the doorbell back on, the right way up. Now, does it work? It does. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to grab yourself one of these doorbells. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next video. That'll be the doorbell.